Welcome, welcome, welcome. I bid you greetings from the city of Oroville, and we have a resolution very similar to the resolution that the county presented, and on this date the city of Oroville has declared the 50-year memorial Hmong date in the city of Oroville. And I have a nice resolution that I won't go through in detail because the city council gave me a special assignment. And I thought it was supposed the other way. The mayor gives the councilman assignments, but the council gave me an assignment. To, number one, deliver this resolution that was approved just last week, but to share a personal message. Together we stand together to witness a powerful legacy. It is my honor to welcome you all to commemorating the 50 years of freedom, honoring the extraordinary sacrifices made in the fight for that freedom. This Memorial Day is a permanent reminder of the brave Hmong soldiers who served shoulder to shoulder with American forces during the Vietnam War and the Secret War in Laos, 61 to 75. These were not ordinary men. They were heroes, courageous warriors who risked everything to defend their homeland and stand up for the values we hold dear: freedom, dignity, and the right to live in peace. When the world was not watching, these soldiers were fighting in the jungles, in the mountains, on the front lines of history. And when the war ended, the journey did not stop. It continued through hardship, through exile, and through resettlement here in the United States, where the Hmong families began to rebuild lives with resilience, strength, and hope. We gather today to honor their service, to recognize their sacrifice, and to say what should always be said: thank you. Thank you. To our veterans and their families, this memorial is for you. It stands for your bravery. It speaks for those who can no longer speak. And it ensures that your place in history is never forgotten. To the next generation, may you come to this event and learn not only where you come from, but what your parents and your grandparents gave so that you could have a future filled with freedom and opportunity. As mayor, I am deeply proud that our city can recognize this day a place of remembrance, of education, and of honor. May this day stand for another 50 years and beyond as a symbol of courage, loyalty, and the unbreakable bond between allies. Thank you to everyone who made this day possible, and to the Hmong communities. We see you, we honor you, and we thank you for being an essential part of our American story. May God bless you all, and may this memorial forever inspire freedom, unity, and peace. Thank you.
Thank you, City of Oroville.
Mayor, on behalf of General Vang Pao, I am General Vang Pao's secretary and interpreter. I am proud to present you his illustration book.